In this particular problem, a body of mass 5 kg moves along the x-axis with velocity 2 meter per second. So body of mass 5 kg moving along x-axis with velocity 2 meter per second. A second body of mass 10 kg moves along y-axis with velocity root 3 meter per second. So body of mass 10 kg moving along y-axis with velocity root 3 meter per second. They collide at the origin and stick together. Now we need to calculate the final speed of the combined mass after the collision and the amount of heat liberated in the collision. So as the bodies are moving, having different masses and different velocity, so we have after collision as they move together, from conservation of momentum, the final momentum P final of the body is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, that is equal to 5 into 2 I cap plus 10 into root 3 j cap kg meter per second, that is equal to 10 I cap plus 10 root 3 j cap kg meter per second. So the magnitude of final momentum of the system is under root 10 square plus 10 root 3 square, that is 10 root 1 plus 3 or 20 kg meter per second. So after collision, final speed of the body after sticking together, that is momentum by mass of the system, that is 20 kg meter per second by 10 plus 5, 15 kg. So final speed is 4 by 3 meter per second. This is the speed of center of mass. So that is the speed of combined mass. Now the amount of heat liberated in this particular collision. So the amount of heat liberated is initial energy minus final energy. So delta Q is equal to K initial minus K final. K initial is half into 5 into 2 square plus half into 10 into root 3 square. This is the initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy is half into 15 into 4 by 3 square. We have this to be equal to 10 plus 30 by 2, that is 15 minus 15 into 16 by 2 into 9. So it is 5, 3, 2, 8. So it is 25 minus 40 by 3 or 75 minus 40 by 3 or 35 by 3 joule. So the amount of heat released is 35 by 3 joule in the collision.